Hi, in this video, we'll show how to create studio lighting in lighttracerrender. First, check out the HDRI library. Here you may find a few dozens of maps covered by the CC0 license. For easy navigation, use the search box. The library can be extended by adding your own maps with the import button. Let's choose this map. Here we can adjust the rotation and brightness of the map, as well as apply filters such as Gaussian blur and conversion to monotone. Let's move to the library again and check out the lights. Here you may choose additional lights that will be drawn onto the environment map. Lights can be moved, rotated, and scaled in real time. To add the light from the library, drag it into the scene. To adjust light settings, open the Map Emitters tab and select the light we need. Alternatively, light can be picked directly on the map preview. Here we can change the color, power, angular size, rotation, and location on the map. Location can be adjusted by dragging the light on the map preview. Let's quickly set up the scene. We drop the first light on the car trunk and another one on the side. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.